1, 2, 3. Mitchell Levy, the AHA guy at AHA That. We are excited about taking you and bringing the genius out of you so you could share it with your audience.
And man, you need to work with this dude. He is awesome. He'll help bring the best of you to everyone else.
You guys ready? So as we transition from the industrial age to the social age, I want to give a message. I want to give a framework that'll help you avoid accidents and messy cleanups. What would have happened at Tower Records or Blockbuster Video or Borders Books if the management team actually listened to and saw the market changes and did something different? I had my first CEO tell me his strategy, show me his website, take a look at what's going on, and I didn't like it. When he said to me, Mitchell, what do you think? I said, I think it sucks. And he leaned in and he whispered to me, Mitchell, no one has ever talked to me like that. Tell me more. So as a thought leader, 80% of the content you share should be somebody else's. TED Talks are really cool. And I will guarantee you, if you schedule a calendar appointment to watch 1 to 4 TED Talks a week, you will be a much better person for it. You earn trust by demonstrating these 3 virtues. Vulnerability, saying you don't know what you don't know or saying when you're wrong. Integrity, say who you are and be who you say. And authenticity, really demonstrate who you are.
He helps you feel seen and heard, and he's a fantastic listener, so he does what he says he does.
Probably one of the easiest books I've ever written. It was my 4th book, and Mitchell, I have to say thank you. You just made this process so easy.
Now, I'm on the radio probably 3 or 4 times a week. I'm often asked the question, how do you do social media in 5 minutes a day? So here's what I suggest. You wake up in the morning and you share 1, 2, or 3 pieces of content. You take 1 minute and go away. Come back 2 hours later or in the afternoon and interact with the people who have touched your content. To be the thought leader or the recognized expert, you have to have the right content for the right audience.
You help us sell to the customer so the customer can sell internally when we're not in the rooms. And our average ticket's about $40,000 per year, SaaS business. We're now doing $150,000 deals because the customer has something to give to their constituency inside the company.
Actually, people didn't pay attention to my post at all in the past. But now, after I posted my book, I got many people paying attention to my post. And then some of them actually contact me directly.
I see you. I hear you. I feel you.